I'm going to show you how you can fix most general network problems on iPhone. The first thing you want to do is that you want to go ahead and go to settings. And then on settings, you want to go ahead and go to this part of the settings. So in settings, you want to go ahead, turn on airplane mode, and then leave it on for around 10 seconds to 20 seconds. What this basically is going to do is that it's going to cycle your iPhone. So it's going to cut off all of the actual network settings here on the iPhone. And then once it's 10 seconds gone, once 25 seconds has gone, turn it back off. Now, see if your network is having issues. You can see my network immediately came back on. If turning on airplane mode doesn't work, you want to go ahead and go to Bluetooth. On Bluetooth, turn it off. And then wait for a couple of seconds. Wait to 10 to 20 seconds. See if it works. If that doesn't work, turn it back on. And then let's go back. Now, once here, you also want to make sure on general, and then on software update, you want to make sure you're on the latest iOS version. This is the most general way you can also fix this, because usually being on the latest iOS version fix most of things. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also try restarting your iPhone. The way you do that is that you can hold the power button like this. And then once you hold the power button, let's just wait for this to load. Once this screen comes up, you just want to slide to power off like this. And then once it's power off, let's just wait for this to turn all black. Now, once it turns all black, you want to go ahead and turn it back on again like this. Once it's on, let's just wait for this to turn on. Once it's back on, let's just go ahead and enter into our iPhone. Now on here, the last way I'm going to show you how you can fix it. You can go to settings. And then on settings, you want to go to general. On general, you want to scroll down. And then you want to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And then tap on reset. And then on reset, tap on reset network settings. And then enter in your passcode. And then all of your network settings will be resetted.